Yo, go on.
There now, you busy?
No, I'm there, man. Yeah, go away. They don't do nothing too tough. They play some, they call it Fortnite.
You on that game there?
But they make some milk, you see me?
Make milk. Yeah, cow.
Yeah, so what? So you don't make milk yet? Lasco. You make some Lasco? No, not Lasco. Milk. No man, regular milk them too, I don't know, too weak. Milk, or if you make milk virgin, you know, just go and shop and buy milk. 9 bucks or something. I have to make my one stronger because it have a surplus. Yeah. No man, one day I don't think about it and I say 1%. Yeah. So my milk stronger because 101%. 101%. Regular milk just have 100%. But my one 101%. So it's stronger than 101%. So it's stronger than 101%. 101%. 101%. 101%. So it's stronger than 101%.